You see the engine, Dion? The engine is pinned over there in the other bird.
Wait, what's a polygon? A polygon is like a shape that has no pin line and is a plate shape. Oh, who are you talking to? The one that doesn't know what a polygon is.
mama kay nang nato ka. What if we go to the jumping cloth first? If you want to stay on that. That's fine, that's fine. Sure.
Micah! Oh! Yes.
Yeah, I think they'd have people like Sandwich Fair out. This place always open on
Yeah.
weekends?
Yep. Because weekend is nice because no, the kids are not in school. So they are weekends.
They open on the weekdays in the
Yeah,
summer?
they're open also weekdays, but
Probably better. It's so freaking busy.
yeah, this is
Take the
popular,
next
babe.
left onto
It's
Watson
like
Road.
nuts.
It's popular, babe.
Hey, wait a minute.
But when we went here, babe, with Rhea, it's not busy.
It's a pet.
Go on the weekday.
Sunflower over there. Because it was weekdays.
That's when you should go. I never will go on a
I'll
weekend.
get a pen.
It's cheaper too. Is it cheaper online?
Pen.
Yeah, it's cheaper online. It said save dollar.
Yum.
Save $1?
Too fun before.
Yeah, it's our first time here. Mommy and baby is not first time.
Here's our second time.
Yeah, it is second time.
About I will be second time. Tomorrow you will be not here. My dad, my sister, and Dion. And me.
Okay.
Every year, every spring, they have activity
Summer.
spring. This is the spring, and then the summer is the sunflowers over there. The sunflowers is at the back, babe. This is tulips and the sunflowers over there on the other side. At the back.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to stop talking. I don't want to talk. No, I don't want to talk to me.
Yeah, I didn't think this place was going to be this bad of a madhouse.
What? What? Madhouse?
Madhouse, yeah. It's so busy, babe.
Madhouse? Yeah, this is popular, babe. Popular farm. And they have what you call that? Website too. They have website.
It's pretty close to 88, so you probably get a lot of people out of Chicago coming down here.
Yeah. And it's nice, no, because it's not no trucks. You
No.
drive so quietly. You see that, babe? You drive so quiet, not stressed. No stress.
He's waving you.
Alright. Yay.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto West Kesslinger Road.
There it is.
What?
Over there.
Pretty good sized place. Look at all the cars here, man.
Yeah. We are parked there and then there's more here. See that? It's so cool. It's so busy.
There's more than 200.
Oh yeah.
300.
A lot of people must like
Take the
tulips.
next right onto West Kesslinger Road.
More than 200. 300. 375.
Yeah, my guess is a lot of from Chicago.
A lot of Chicago to come here.
Yeah, half the people there can't even speak English, babe. They're all those
Spanish.
Indians, everything.
Yeah, I know.
I can speak English and Spanish. Only one. Those two.
Continue on West Kesslinger Road for 2 miles.
Bye. You can see the view. A lot. Still busy, babe.
Yeah,
Still a lot of people.
5.
it's a nice day. Everybody wanting to get out of the house to do stuff.
Yeah, it's perfect day, babe. Perfect day to go out. 76, babe. Thank you
you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.